Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be covering the first tutorial towards my new series of how to make a CRUD app with Python. And before we jump into it, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications and like on this video and comment if you have any questions. So to get started, if you guys don't know what CRUD is basically creating a database, reading from a database, updating a database, and deleting values from a database. So what I have done here is created a new file called crudapp.py, and what we're gonna do by starting is we're gonna the f is small, from Flask import, and what we need is Flask, and let's just import star, so that just removes our hassle. We don't have to import everything line by line. So now what we can do is we can import SQLite, which is the database we're going to be using to make our CRUD app. So a lot of you guys might suggest using SQL Alchemy with Flask, and I also might make a tutorial on that, so stay tuned for that. And I'm using SQLite because there are very few tutorials on Flask with SQLite, and I think that's a great combo. So now what we do is in this video we're just gonna set up our app. So we're just gonna do app equals app underscore what you do, let me just make sure. This is just a project that I've been working on. I'll make another video about this. So what we do is app underscore do Flask, and then in here we can do underscore name underscore. So then we can just make our very first page, the landing page. We can do app.route, and then we can do slash. This is just so it knows we're going to the very first page. So, and then we can just define a function, define home, and we can just return for now we can just return welcome in h1, wrapped in h1 tags. h1 is basically just an HTML thing, so I'll probably make a tutorial on that, but there's lots of great tutorials on HTML so on the YouTube already. So now you can do welcome or something, and then we can run this, which is just, if you guys don't know what I'm doing here, you can go check out my Flask tutorial. This is just a project that I'm gonna make in this series. So now I can do if name underscore is equal to underscore main. And I've explained what this means in my other videos. So now we can just do app.run, and then we can not route, we can do run, and then we can just do debug equal to true. It just says that we are debugging our website. It just shows our errors in a nice way. Now if we run this, it's gonna process finished with oh yeah, I forgot underscore at the end of main. My bad, guys. If we run this, it should run. Yep. If you go to here, it's gonna say welcome. So that's good. Now what we can do is we can basically make our home HTML page. Let me just create a HTML. So let's just call this file. So this is gonna be the landing page. It's gonna be the, call this home page dot html. Now I can just add a function, and then now what we can do is add that, which just adds our normal, let me just zoom into the code so you guys can see here, add our normal HTML, and in here we can just say h1, my bad guys, and then we can just do welcome, or we can just do CRUD app. You can also change the title here to CRUD app. Just capitalize this A. And now if we go into our CRUD app.py, instead of returning this, we can return render template. And we can return home page dot HTML. So let's run this to see, and it's running, and CRUD app, and the title is also CRUD app. And so that's gonna be it for this video. We have our website set up. In the next video we're gonna be making our front end better, so we can have our front end ready to go, so we can change our backend stuff and add the data to our tables and database. So thanks so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment, and that's it for this video. Peace.